barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small fee of $29.99 to join, and you can find this website link in the description of today's video. But let's talk about the Nasdaq100. We're having a nice little jump during today's trading session. In fact, this week we're up rather nicely. I think we're up around 500 points as we opened this week at around 11,100. So, you know, for the week we're currently up around 5%. I see this as a fantastic selling opportunity. I think, you know, inflation is going to continue to rise. You could argue that, you know, crude oil has started to fall significantly over the past week or so, but I still think it's not just oil that is, you know, the main issue here. I think it's food prices, for example. They're at a record high, especially here in the UK, for example. And inflation isn't going to cool off anytime soon. And I think that, you know, at this moment in time, the bulls in the market are still clinching on to the fact that, you know, earnings are great, company earnings are great. My you know, favorite stock, they're still, you know, they've just announced a buyback, which is all fantastic. But I think as we enter into the next earnings season, which of course kicks off on the 14th of July, we're going to start to hear these companies sound a little bit more worried, and they may you know, start to you know, give more negative guidance going forward. And I think that is going to be the key to this market, and I think that is going to become a lot more negative than you know, most of the bulls are anticipating. So I think that for the next 3 weeks we trade sideways, and then as we enter into the earnings of next month and next quarter, of course, so Q2 2022, I really do anticipate some negative guidance to come in, and that's going to really spook the markets. And of course, recession, right? I think that we will enter into one, especially coming out of winter 2023. That's my forecast, and I think it's going to, you know, again put lots of pressure on this market. So any rally here in the Nasdaq 100 should be sold, and I will be selling at this current level as it has offered some sort of resistance in the past, and I think that we will break down from this area and go and test 11,000 as it is a large round number.
500,000 barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.